Hello and welcome. This is your host Prachi, and today I'll take you through DSR Evoke. Now, DSR Evoke is located in Kadugodi, Whitefield, East Bangalore. You all know East Bangalore is growing rapidly. Whitefield is such stable with high rental demands, making it very beautiful for long-term appreciation. Not just that, this is located next to Hope Farm Metro Station, making it easily connectable, and this is a high residential premium property that you are looking for your family and comfort. But right before that, let me briefly introduce you all to Get Right Property. Get Right Property is your real estate partner which comes with 8 years of experience. We work on zero brokerage model, which means complete transparency. You pay builder's price with no hidden charges. Not just that, we support you from purchase to possession, including rental, resale and your future investments. We also make your investment smart by giving you exclusive deals and pricing. Not just that, you also get an iPhone as a complimentary gift when you book with us. In this video, we're going to talk about the project overview, location advantages, who should buy this, who should invest in this project, builder credibility, configuration, amenities and everything about the project you need to know. So stay with me till the very end. DSR Evoke is spread across 7.8 acres with 3 high-rise towers of 30 floors. One of the biggest highlight of this project is that this has 85% of open spaces, which means more greenery, better ventilation and peaceful living environment. This project offers spacious 2, 3 and 4 BHKs designed with natural light and cross ventilation. 2 BHKs at 1,227 square feet, 3 BHKs ranging from 1561 to 1978 square feet with a variation of 1719 square feet. 4 BHK at 2362 square feet. All layouts are spacious with large living areas, well-sized bedrooms and good balcony space. These homes are ideal for families looking for comfort and privacy. You get amenities like event lawn, seating gallery, co-working space, multi-purpose lawn, grand entry plaza, cricket practice net, swimming pool decks, skating, snooker, tennis and pick and drop point for bus and cabs for each tower. Now I'll take you through this beautiful miniature of DSR Evoke while also explaining the amenities that you get here. Let's start. Here is the entry to the building, and that is a roundabout. Along sides, you also get this pick up and drop point for your cabs, school buses and other things. And then there you get the sit out space, and that is a multi-purpose lawn where you can occupy up to 250 people. Here are some guest parking, and we'll move ahead. Here is your entry to the basement. All the parkings are interconnected, so through this basement you can go to any tower, park for any tower that you want to go. And this area is completely no vehicle zone. Only during the case of emergency, vehicles will be allowed to get into the no vehicle zone, which will be your walk space as well. Here are some green spaces. And then alongside, each tower will have a different pickup point and a launch, so that if you have a guest, you don't want to take them inside, you can just attend them here in the launch and then you can send them off. Right here is the water feature, and this is an exit from the basement. Here you have entry and exit 2. From here you will have direct entry to the basement. Right here you have this tennis court, 2 different cricket pitches, a basketball court and a football court along with this sitting area. Moving forward, you will have a swimming pool along with the lounge. That is your 30,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is 2 basement, ground and 4 floors. Right here is a co-working space along with the kids arena, senior citizen plaza, walking and jogging areas with You get all of these with this beautiful sites because you have 85% of open spaces. This is your tower A, B and tower C. Now we'll go through this beautiful model flat of 3 BHK which is spread across 1978 square feet. To start with, we have this beautiful living and drawing area. Look at how spacious and large this is. I mean, from this end to that end. Spacious and big enough, right? But this is not just the end, because this is your living and drawing area 1. You also have a second drawing area. But before that, you have this beautiful dining space. Now you can have a larger dining table as well. Here is your drawing area 2. Now here, this is for your comfort and your spacious living. That one, if you don't want guests coming in your home, you can use that drawing area. But you have so much space to walk around in your home, isn't it? Moving forward, we have this beautifully, spaciously designed kitchen. This is very sleek and spacious. You can have 2 or 3 people moving parallelly here and moving ahead. We have this utility area. Right here, you can continue doing all your daily activities. Moving forward, we will have your guest bedroom. Right here is guest bedroom, which is spacious enough. You can see how good and beautifully designed it is. For the ventilation, you will have these windows right here. You will also have space for closets. Moving forward, we have this adequately attached common toilet, which is right opposite to your guest bedroom. Next to the common toilet is this children's bedroom. See, this is so spacious and well designed. Again, for ventilation and ample light, you will have this window right here. You will have enough space for closets. You can also occupy a TV if you want to. Alongside, here is your attached toilet. Moving forward, we have the most awaited part of this beautiful model flat. I know you've been waiting for this because you're going to spend some quality time with your partner right here. This is the classic master bedroom. Here you have this entertainment zone, and when you turn around, you have enough space for closets. As you can see, you have adequate space for walking around, and you also get this sleek class of standing balcony connected to your master bedroom. And from here, you'll be able to see the 85% open spaces that you get. And when you close the door, you get space for your dressing area. Here, you can pull down the chair from here and you can use your makeup. Comes with an attached toilet. Last but not the least is something I always keep for last. Is this beautiful living space balcony. This is spacious enough to have 2, 3, 4 people around. You can spend some time with your partner, your children, chai time, coffee time, book time, whatnot. I mean, look at the width and length of this balcony. This is beautiful. DSR Group is known for its quality construction. It is a reputed construction company here in Bangalore, East Bangalore specifically, because they have built many high residential projects, and they come with 37 years of experience with 30 plus completed projects and 8 to 9 ongoing projects. So this builder is completely trustable and they have quality and experience in building. From the investment point of view, DSR Evoque is thoroughly connected to the metro, major IT parks, entertainment hubs and top schools along with hospitals, making it a project that will give you strong returns in the future. Not just that, this is the only high-rise tower in the circumference of 2 kilometers, because rest of all are villa projects giving you view for a long term. This comes with 35 plus amenities, a trusted builder giving you a good appreciation in the future if invested. Who should buy the project? people working in ITs trying to relocate in Whitefield, this is one of the most beautiful projects that you might get. Buyers looking for spacious homes and well-gated community, this is for you. Families looking for upgraded spacious living and comfort, this is for you. And for investors looking for long-term investment and higher appreciation value in growing places or developing areas like Whitefield, this is for you. In summary, DSR Evoke gives you 35 plus amenities, 2, 3 and 4 BHK spacious living with gated community with 427 units only. This makes this project a worth investing project. So if you're looking for spacious homes in Whitefield, do check out DSR Evoke. And this video is brought to you by Get Rare Property. You can connect to us on our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channels. You can also check our website out along with our calling number. You can also call or check our website to book any plots or projects with us. This is your host Prachi signing off.